Veeam Games Inc. is considering protection for the VMware environment. Which solution would reduce production network traffic and minimize the impact on resources during backup windows? Okay, let's see here. Option 1, create hot add proxies, enable vPower and set max concurrent to the number of proxy CPUs. Yeah, I mean, this is not really, first of all, vPower has nothing to do with this at all. Like, that's just nonsense. Secondly, we don't want to put traffic on the production network, which usually is what happens when you use a hot add proxy. So the bottom part here might actually be okay. So I'm going to say this sounds like a distractor here. I don't think this is correct. Option 2, use direct NFS access mode to tune proxy tasks and utilize backup IO control. Okay, let's go and take a look here. So as we've seen already in some questions, they are using NFS data stores. So for that reason, it definitely would make sense to use direct NFS access mode, and it also puts the traffic away from the production network over to the NFS network. So that seems to make sense. Use NAS file proxies. We see, no, we're talking about VMware here, right? So using NAS file proxies, that's definitely a distractor. So 1 and 3, those are out the window. So we have 2 and potentially 4. Create a VLAN specific protection group and assign a gateway pool. Well, protection groups is something for agent backups, and I didn't really want to talk about that as the generalized way of protecting virtual workloads. So this makes no sense to me. I would definitely go with option number 2.